Good evening and thank you for watching another episode of Digital Frontier. In this developer series, I would like to talk with you about Soroban, a smart contract platform on the Stellar blockchain. Are you a developer looking for a smart contract platform that's both sensible and scalable? Look no further than Soroban on the Stellar blockchain. While Soroban works seamlessly with Stellar, it can also be used with any transaction processor. Stellar's release includes a Rust SDK, a command line interface, and a RPC server for you to experiment with and provide feedback. And why the name Soroban? The name is inspired by the Japanese abacus, known for its simplicity and efficiency. Join me in building a platform that sets a global standard for smart contracts. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are. Please take time to like, share, and subscribe, and always thank you for watching another episode of Digital Frontier.